This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The centre will allow certain relaxations from today in notified services without hotspots. In the wake of extension of national lockdown till 3rd of May, a series of directives have been issued to ensure strict compliance of lockdown. A few more essential services like agricultural and horticultural activities, services provided by electricians, IT repairs, plumbers, motor mechanics and carpenters will be allowed to operate in areas which are not demarcated as containment zones. Private vehicles for emergency services, including medical and veterinary care and for procuring essential commodities, will also be allowed. The total number of COVID-19 active positive cases in Meghalaya remained at 10, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed last evening. All the people who tested positive are stable and there are 4,198 people in home quarantine and 175 under institutional quarantine. All the doctors and staff and all inpatients at Bethany Hospital, Shillong have been tested and the results were found negative. Results of 3 samples were still awaited. All have been moved to isolation facilities or discharged to go home, the Chief Minister said. To effectively monitor home quarantine, the government of Meghalaya is using the quarantine app developed by IIT Mumbai, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said. Those who visited the Bethany Hospital Shillong on or after 24th March 2020 and those who visited Bethany Hospital Nongpo on or after 30th March 2020 and those who have been identified as primary or secondary contacts of the quarantined positive patients are mandated to download this app. The features of this app are to ensure that the users follow quarantine protocols. The database of about 5,300 individuals who fall in these categories is with the Health and Family Welfare Department. The Meghalaya government will ensure that all families under compulsory home quarantine who have downloaded the app are given free home delivery of rations so that they don't have to step out of their homes. The much-awaited critical consignment of rapid diagnostic test kits for COVID-19 for Nagaland arrived yesterday by special Dornier flight of the Indian Air Force. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefurio said the kits will be used in hotspot areas identified in the state. As of 6 p.m. yesterday, a total of 404 samples were sent from Nagaland to the testing center. Out of this, 345 samples were found negative, while results of 59 samples were still awaited. In Assam, 16 COVID-19 patients have been released from hospitals so far. Official sources said that all of them are cured now and have been kept on 14 days observation as a precautionary measure. Assam has tested a total of 4,865 samples for COVID-19 so far, of which 34 have come out positive, the state's Health and Family Welfare Department said yesterday. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday said the state no longer has any COVID-19 positive case as the second patient who was undergoing treatment tested negative for the disease. The 65-year-old patient was found to have contracted the disease following his return from the Tablighi Jamaat event in Delhi's Nizamuddin. Manipur had recorded 2 positive cases of COVID-19 so far. The first patient is already cured and was discharged from the hospital on the 12th of this month. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh launched a home delivery supplies management control room to address the grievances and hardships faced by the people of the state in procuring essential items amid nationwide lockdown. Any individual or groups can contact the toll-free number 1-800-313-8171 from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily. Initially, it will be operational for Imphal East and Imphal West districts. The Tripura government has readied 70 beds for COVID-19 patients in 2 hospitals in Agartala, Law Minister and Cabinet spokesperson Ratanlal Nath said. Tripura has reported 2 COVID-19 cases so far. Of them, 1 has recovered. A 30-bed COVID-19 health center has been set up at the Nursing Training Institute of Indira Gandhi Medical Hospital. The facilities at Agartala Government Medical College have been upgraded with 40 beds dedicated for suspected and confirmed cases. Meanwhile, Tripura Education Minister Ratanlal Nath said all students of class 1 to 9 and 11 have been promoted to the next class and virtual classes started for state school students in view of the coronavirus pandemic. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.